Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome back to Junk Journal July, day number 17. Today's prompt is aged. Let's dive right into today's journaling session. I'm really sorry for the late upload of today's video. Yesterday was just such a unexpected, really busy day that I had to attend a bunch of different personal stuff, so I couldn't take time to edit the video, but I'm really happy that I at least could film the video, and I hope I will be back on track in the afternoon with then for this day 2 videos for Junk Journal July, with day number 18 getting there. For today's journaling, or for yesterday's journaling session, for day 17 aged, I decided to use one of the pages that was aged with some coffee dye. So a coffee dye spread as the base for our little journaling spread today, and then now I'm flipping through some really old and kind of aged magazines to find some inspiration to use in the journal. I did also choose one of the spreads where on the other side of the coffee aged paper there is some old music notes, and I added some old pattern paper from fabric to it, just making a little vintage and aged paper inspired collage here. And now I'm tracing out this model with some, I don't know, 2016, no, it has to be even earlier, 2012 fashion. That's kind of aged. It's over 10 years old. It should count, or does it? What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. I hope you are all having still fun with Junk Journal July and you are keeping on track, or if you don't, it's totally fine as well. Like me today, just do a catch-up day and do 2 prompts in one day. Nothing can stop you. You can do it as it fits your creative time and your life. Everyone's creative path is so different, so even if you just find the time to do like 5 of the prompts of Junk Journal July, I think it's worth it anyway. So just pick out a few that you really like and that you would love to participate, and then do some journaling spreads or creative collages for those. And that's kind of my take on it. I just want to try to complete the whole challenge and do it on a daily basis as well as doing a video. But the editing part is also quite a big chunk of it for me at the moment, so that's why I had to put that part of the challenge on the back burner for yesterday. But now we are back on track, and I hope today will be a 2 videos a day kind of day, and I hope you enjoy both of those spreads in my junk journal anyway. Here I'm adding some of these washi tape that is kind of like a measuring tape, but I really like the vintage hue it has to it. That's why it's one of my favorite washis, to be honest. And I thought it would fit the whole kind of fashion, self-made, handmade theme of the pattern paper as well, so I added that. and now I'm adding a bunch of little stickers, or I'm thinking about adding a bunch of stickers, as well as some writing. I found the quote on Pinterest: "We age by the stories, not by the numbers," and I thought it quite fits the whole vibe of this spread. I hope you are all staying creative and you have a lovely day. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, that would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below to join me on my creative journey.